Hello everyone, this is Focused School of Language. Today I'm going to teach you about greetings. So there are many ways to greet a person, formally and informally. So formally greet نقبر تلنا, we use it in front of our superiors or our co-workers. مثلا نصرح سوات ويم كابل علينا نصرح سوات نتقامل نخلنا formally لبحاله مالتي. Informal لبحال لجنا, which is in front of our friends or our families. أقدم بيت السنة ويم أقدم عرفتنا نتقام عينة language informal لبحال مالتي. Okay, so formally تخون تلا, we can say hello, which means سلام مالتي. Hello, I can say hello, which means salam. Also, I can say good morning. Say with me, good morning. Okay, good morning means همي حديرهم مالتي. Okay, good morning. Also, we can say good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, which means همي وعيد خا مالتي. همي وعيد خا لما نتقامل لنا. Also, last one is good evening. Good evening. Last one مالتي. Good evening, which means همي يمشي خا. So greet نقبرت لنا. This is formal ways. Okay, the superior نا هم زلوا الخم لعلينا نسرح سو ويمسانا نسرح سو نتقاملون خلينا. Informally لبهال which is informal language لبهالون لجنا in front of our friends أو عرفتنا ويمس فاميلينا ويمس نقارو مسوات نتقامل لهم خلنا وشاتيا. Okay, so first one is we can say hi. سلام مالتي زلا. We can say hey. Okay. Hey, say with me. Hey. Okay, so we can say hi or hey to those people who are close to us. مالتي مسانا الغرب سوات لجنا. We can say hi or hey. Alright, next one is asking about someone's well-being, which means هميني خلنا نتيق تلنا نخونسة مالتيو. Okay, زلا همزي formal لا informal لا نيويو. So formally نقول تلنا we can say how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Which means هميني خا مالتيو. How do you do? This is a little bit tricky because how do you do تلنا تلنا نخونسة? How do you do back in أنا نملس. Okay, how do you do تلنا نخونا? We say how do you do? Okay, how do you do? How do you do? ملسنا how do you do يلخون. Okay, so if someone asks us how do you do, we answer back saying how do you do? ملسنا how do you do خون لا مالتيو. Okay, next one is how are you? How are you? Which means هميني ها. Okay, how are you? I can say I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Which means دحنا يغني لي سخاخة مالتيو. Okay, informal ways نتقامل لهم نخلنا جنا. We can say how's it going? How's it going? How's it going means همي خدل خلو مالتي معلت خا هميني ولا ما نتقامل نخل. So ملسنا عندنا we can say it is going well. It is going well or it is going fine, which means حري في خدله or تبو أي نيخو مالتي. Okay, or we can say it's going well, thank you for asking. بدعم حري في خدله يغني ليس لدي خانة مالتي. Next one is what's new? What's new, which means تاينيو حدش نجار مالتي. What's new is تاينيو حدش نجار. So what's new لنا ثلول خانسة we can say nothing much or the new thing is إن الأطر نخل, which means nothing much لبحال من النجار اللي مالتي. What's new لنا ثلول خانسة we can say nothing much بزح نجار اللي. Also لحدش نجار تحلينا عندنا we can say the new thing is easy. Okay, or حدش نجار تحلا حدش نجار لخوانا نجار تقطع لنا مالتي. Also last one is what's up? What's up? What's up now what's new حد عينت response نيوا, which means تملسوا لهم تلها حد عينت response كل نيوا يخليو, which is what's up تلنا تلو الخنسة تايني حدش نجار ما نتي بخالي بحلا. So what's up تلنا تلو that nothing's up or nothing much كل خال هم what's new لنا يوم ما نتي. So what's up تلنا we can say nothing much بزح نجار يلي. Thank you.